Hi there! In this video I want to show you how to change keyboard language on your iPad mini 6 or how to add new keyboard. So let's get started. First thing first, we need to open settings and here select the general tab. After this, go in the keyboard section and here on the top of the screen select keyboards. So now you can see your keyboards and this option to add new ones. So let's use it. And now we can see many languages from which we can choose. For example, let's add the Spanish one. Great. And now let me show you how it will look. I'm gonna open keyboard and now all is left is to tap this globe icon and now we switch to the Spanish language. Tap again and now it's English. So now let's go back to the settings and here we can reorder our keyboards. For this, tap the edit button and then drag these lines. For example, we want for the Spanish to be the first language, so just drag it to the first place like this. If you want to remove it from the list, just tap the minus and confirm by tapping the delete button. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.